This is how to enable push notifications on an iPhone. So what you have to do is to open up Settings app of your device like this, and below scroll a little bit until you find Notifications section. In there, you get to manage notifications, first of all, generally, like every single app, how it's going to behave, if it can deliver notifications to lock screen and so on. But the more important part are the list is the list of apps below. So every single app you have on your phone is capable of managing or delivering notifications, and you can change it manually. For example, Facebook for me is disabled, so I'm not receiving push notifications from this app, so I need to enable it like this. Now I'm going to be receiving notifications, and I also need to choose the proper style. So for example, banners are those which slide from the top. I make sure I turn it on, also that it shows in Control Center, Notification Center, lock screen, everywhere. And I can also enable the sounds. I can change some other things about it, and the point is that you need to do it for every single app of your phone. For example, Gmail, I already have it enabled, but let's say I don't like the sound, right? And the point is that you need to manage it like this, so you always get the notifications and the style of them based on your preference. So let me know if it worked for you. Definitely subscribe for more Foxtecc tutorials like this one, and I'll see you later.